are going to know about how to do multiplication of fractions. Okay, this is simple cancellation type of question, and you will enjoy doing this question. Okay, now when such type of questions come, what we will do? Here see that one number has only numerator and the other has numerator and denominator both. All the examples are like this. How to do such questions? Now remember that when there is only one number, this means that this number is numerator. Okay, it is a whole number. This means it has denominator as 1. So now write the number in this form. Is equal to 4 into 9. Write the numerator collectively in one form, both the numerators and then both the denominators, 1 into 11. Now try to cancel the numbers, find out any common factors, common number that can divide any of the numerator and denominator. Okay, you see 4, 9 and 11, none of the number is able to divide each other. ठीक है, 11 is a prime number, इसलिए इसके और कोई भी factors नहीं है. So cancellation is not possible here. So what we will do, we will multiply the numerator and the denominator, and that is the answer. Okay. Now whenever the answer is in improper fraction, try to write it in mixed fraction. Okay, how we will write? 36 divided by 11, 11 3s are 33 minus it is 3. So how we will write it? 3 quotient as the whole number, then 3 remainder as the numerator and 11 divisor as the denominator. This is the answer. Understood? Whenever the answer is proper fraction, then you will write it, and whenever the answer is improper fraction, you will convert into mixed fraction, then write it. Now this part is done. Similarly, try to do this part. Here also it is 8 by 1. How we will write this? 8 into 3 by 1 into 10. Try to see if any cancellation is possible. Any number can cancel the numerator and denominator, anyone? See here. 2 4s are 8 and 2 5s are 10, so cancel it. 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8. So what we get, in the numerator we have 4 into 3 and the denominator we have 5 into 1, 5, and therefore the answer is 12 by 5. Again the answer is improper fraction. Convert it into mixed fraction. 5 2s are 10. This is the quotient. Then the remainder, 10, 12 minus 10 is 2, and the divisor 5. You can see here, when you divide 12 by 5, 5 2s are 10, 2, this 2 is our whole number, this 2 is the numerator, and this 5 is the denominator. So our answer is 2 whole number and 2 by 5. Now see this question. Again 9 is 9 by 1. So how we will write? 9 into 8 as numerator and 1 into 18 as denominator. Now see if any cancellation is possible or not. Directly you can see that 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18. So cancel it by 9. 9 1s are 9 and 9 2s are 18. Again see if any cancellation is possible. See here, one more cancellation is possible. 2 4s are 8. So finally what we get? 4 in the numerator and nothing in the denominator. 4 by 1, that is 4 is the answer. Similarly, when one whole number is there and one fraction is there, then we can do the multiplication in this way. Now we will know that how to multiply fractions with fractions. In the last video we learned that how to multiply whole numbers and fractions. See how we will multiply fractions with fractions. जब भी ऐसे होगा तो इसको आप इस तरह से लिखो. Is equal to 9 into 6, all the numerators on the top and denominators in the denominator. ठीक है? Now see if any cancellation is possible or not. मुझे दिख रहा है, just 3 3s is 9. So first cancel, 3 1s are 3 and 3 3s are 9. Then again you can see that in the table of 2 we are getting 2 2s are 4 and 2 3s are 6. So we can cancel 2 2s are 4 and 2 3s are 6. Now any cancellation is not possible, because in the table of 2 we are not having 3 anymore. So what we get is equal to 3 into 3 by 2 into 1. Yes na? 3 into 3 by 2 into 1. So it's equal to how much? 9 by 2. That is the our answer. What is answer? 9 by 2. Yes. Now see, when we have mixed fraction, what we do when we have mixed fraction, we convert it into improper fraction. 6 3s are 18 plus 2 20. So what we get, it is 20. Write it down here. Is equal to 20 by 3 multiplied by 2 by 5. Now the two numerators we will write on the numerator. 20 into 2 by 3 into 5. In this way we will write. Now see if any cancellation is possible or not. Between 2 and 3 no cancellation is possible, and between 5 and 20 cancellation is possible now. 5 ones are 5 and 5 fours are 20. So what we get is that 4 2s are 8 in the numerator and the denominator 3 ones are 3. So it is 8 by 3, the answer of the second part that we have taken as example. Then this one 5 by 4 into 2 by 3 into 1 by 3. कैसे लिख लेंगे इसको? सारे न्यूमरेटर को कंबाइंड न्यूमरेटर लिखेंगे and all the denominators as the combined denominator. See if any cancellation is possible or not. Yes, we have 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2 and 2 2s are 4. So what we get is 5 into 1 by 2 into 3 into 3. Yes na? Now multiply all the numbers. What do we get? The answer as 5 by 3 2s are 6, 6 3s are 18. Our answer is 5 by 18. Now see, in this question we have the answer in improper fraction. These two questions, whenever the answer are in improper fraction, we can write the answer as mixed fractions. 2 4s are 8, 1 and 2. 2 4s are 8 plus 1, 9. This is the quotient, this is the remainder and this is the divisor. Similarly, in the second part also, so our answer can be this one or this one. Both can be answered. ये भी हो सकता है, ये भी हो सकता है. But this is the more correct way of writing the answer. We don't write the answer in the improper fraction. Okay. Now here also 8 by 3 is equal to how much? 3 2s are 6. We get remainder as 2 and divisor is 3. So जब भी improper fraction होगा, this means numerator is greater and denominator is smaller. We convert the fraction into mixed fraction. Okay. So this can be the answer also. This can be the answer also. But the better way to write the answer is in the mixed fraction. We don't write answers in improper fraction. Okay. Now see in this part. What we have the same question but numbers are converted into mixed fraction. मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन देख करके कभी भी डरना नहीं है, उसको सिंपल से इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट करना है. देन डू द सिंपल कैंसिलेशन. हाउ मच इट इज? 7 3s are 21 plus 1 22 by 7. इसको साथ में ही लिख लेते हैं. 5 2s are 10 plus 4 14 by 5 and 4 1s are 4 plus 3 7 by 4. Again check. 7 3s are 21 plus 1 22 by 7. 5 2s are 10 plus 4 14 by 5. 4 1s are 4 plus 3 7 by 4. Now see if any cancellation is possible or not. See we have 2 7 here. 7 in the numerator also and denominator also. So 7 1s are 7, 7 1s are 7 get cancelled. Then see 4 and 14. These two are divisible by 2. 2 2s are 4 and 2 7s are 14. Then this 2 can divide this 22 also. 2 1s are 2 and 2 11s are 22. So what we have? We have 11 into 7 in the numerator and 5 into 1 and 1 is left here also. 7 in the 7 and 7 in the 7. So 1 into 5 into 1 is as the denominator. So the answer is how much? 77 by 5. अभी देखो आंसर इज इन improper fraction 77 by 5. Yes na? So now we will convert the answer into mixed fraction. This is improper fraction. Now convert it into mixed fraction. 77 by 5, divide the number 77 by 5. What do we get? 5 ones are 5, 2 and 7, 5 fives are 25, 2. So what we get is equal to 15 whole number 2 by 5. Understood? So our answer is 15 whole number 2 by 5. Understood? Similarly, we can do all the multiplication of fractions. It is very easy.